Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use the electric windows on the front doors and if you are having some on the rear doors too. So let's have a seat on the driver's side. Here we are. Caution when operating the electronic windows, when you can have a risk of injury, particularly to children. Vehicles passengers must be informed accordingly. Keep a close watch on the window while it is closing. Ensure that nothing becomes trapped in them as they move. The electronic windows can be used easily. With first step is every time ignition on. That means you can operate only if the ignition is switched on. You do not have to start the engine for this. Only ignition on. Here you can see on the rear side. On the rear side there is a rotary lever. This is the mechanical style, old school. Rotate it right turn, you will close it. Rotate it left turn, you will open the window mechanically. So let's start now. We are going to perform the ignition on. The ignition is on if you see some lights on the desk. And then we are ready to use it. Within 5 minutes of switching off, and you can use it too. Within 5 minutes of switching the ignition key to position 1. After switching off the ignition, the operation readiness is terminated by opening the driver's door. So operate with two switches in the driver's door armrest for the front windows. Additional switch in the front passenger's door. For incremental operation, briefly pull or press the switch. For automatic opening or closing, pull or press the switch longer. Pull or press the switch again to stop the movement. And you can see you can perform this on the right side as shown on the left side. That means if you are pulling or pressing short, you will get a little bit up or a little bit down. But if you are holding it about 1 second, then this is the automatic close or opening system. These two options you have to close and to open your windows. If you switch off the ignition, you have 5 minutes until the electronic windows system will shut off automatically. It's really easy to perform, as you can see, though that it is. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see again you on my channel. And do not let your fingers between the electronic windows and the frame of your car. Soon.